Bow Windows Anthem bow window installation in Anthem AZ is a high-impact home window upgrade for homeowners seeking style, light, and performance. From bow window installation Anthem Arizona to modern bow window installation Anthem AZ, the right crew can transform living rooms, kitchens, and front-facing spaces with custom bow windows in Anthem AZ and custom home windows in Anthem Arizona. Local window contractors Anthem AZ can recommend premium bow window systems, new construction bow windows, and replacement windows for homes that match the architecture and climate. For bow windows Anthem, the goal is more than appearance. It is long-term comfort, curb appeal, and value with expertly fitted windows designed for Arizona heat. Energy-efficient bow windows Anthem are a smart answer to drafty window replacement and weatherproof window replacement needs in the desert. Insulated bow windows, low-E bow windows, double-pane bow windows Anthem AZ, and triple-pane bow windows Anthem Arizona help reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort year-round. Anthem AZ energy-efficient replacement windows can also lower utility strain while supporting noise-reducing bow windows performance in busy neighborhoods. Homeowners looking for Anthem Arizona home window replacement often choose energy-efficient bow windows because they combine beauty, insulation, and durability in one upgrade for bow windows Anthem. Bow windows Anthem residential bow window replacement Anthem AZ is ideal when aging frames, foggy glass, or warped sections start affecting function and appearance. Anthem AZ residential window replacement projects often include window frame replacement, window frame installation Anthem Arizona, and glass replacement for bow windows to restore proper sealing and clarity. Bow window installation Anthem AZ can address minor damage, while full residential bow window replacement delivers a more complete solution for older homes. For bow windows Anthem, a licensed window replacement company Anthem Arizona can inspect conditions, recommend the best path, and complete the work with precision and care. Custom bow windows bring flexibility to any house window remodeling project, especially when homeowners want a distinct look that fits their layout. Modern bow window designs can be tailored with wood bow window replacement, vinyl bow window replacement, or fiberglass bow window replacement depending on style, budget, and maintenance goals. Custom bow windows are especially useful for unique openings, arched bow window replacement needs, and premium bow window systems built for visual impact. In bow windows Anthem, customization allows better matching with stucco exteriors, desert colors, and interior finishes while keeping performance at the forefront. Vinyl bow window replacement Anthem Arizona remains a popular choice for low-maintenance durability and strong value. Vinyl bow windows Anthem AZ resist warping, are easy to clean, and work well for homeowners who want efficient performance without ongoing upkeep. Wood bow windows Anthem AZ offer a classic look for traditional homes, while fiberglass bow windows Anthem AZ provide exceptional strength and stability for long-term use. Whether the project is wood bow window replacement, fiberglass bow window replacement, or vinyl bow window replacement, local window contractors Anthem AZ can help select the right material for bow windows Anthem and the surrounding climate. Bow window glass replacement Anthem AZ is often the best fix when panes become cracked, cloudy, or inefficient. Residential glazing services. Anthem AZ can restore clarity and thermal performance with double-pane bow windows Anthem AZ or triple-pane bow windows Anthem Arizona depending on insulation needs. Glass replacement for bow windows can also improve soundproof bow window replacement goals for homes near roads, schools, or commercial areas. For bow windows Anthem, choosing insulated bow window replacement Anthem AZ or low-E bow windows can make a major difference in comfort, especially during peak summer temperatures and cool winter nights. Best bow window installers Anthem AZ understand that accurate measurements and proper sealing are essential for long-lasting results. Bow window installation, and bow window replacement all depend on craftsmanship, especially when dealing with curved structures and multiple angled sections. Anthem AZ bow window replacement projects should be handled by experienced professionals who know how to integrate weather-resistant bow windows Anthem AZ into the existing wall system. From residential bow window replacement Anthem AZ to new construction bow windows, skilled installers help ensure smooth operation, tight seals, and a polished finish for bow windows Anthem. Anthem Arizona Home Window Replacement is a practical upgrade for homeowners comparing drafty window replacement options and planning broader improvement projects. House window remodeling can include premium bow window systems, modern bow window designs, and replacement windows for homes that need both beauty and energy savings. Anthem AZ energy-efficient replacement windows paired with noise-reducing bow windows create a quieter, more comfortable interior environment. Whether the project involves bow window installation Anthem Arizona, bow window installation Anthem AZ, or wood bow window replacement Anthem AZ, the right solution can elevate both property value and daily living for bow windows Anthem. Custom home windows in Anthem Arizona should balance appearance, efficiency, and durability, especially for homes exposed to intense sun and seasonal weather changes. Weatherproof window replacement options like insulated bow windows, double pane bow windows, and triple pane bow windows can help protect interiors while supporting a refined exterior look. For homeowners seeking modern bow window installation Anthem AZ, the combination of premium materials, expert craftsmanship, and tailored design delivers lasting results. From Anthem AZ residential window replacement to soundproof bow window replacement Anthem AZ, bow windows Anthem continue to be a standout choice for homeowners wanting performance, elegance, and local expertise. Bow window replacement in Anthem AZ delivers an immediate home window upgrade for curb appeal, comfort, and efficiency, especially when old units become drafty or outdated. Anthem Arizona home window replacement options include residential bow window replacement, arched bow window replacement, and premium bow window systems designed to fit modern bow window designs and classic homes alike. Homeowners searching for replacement windows for homes often choose energy-efficient bow windows, insulated bow windows, low-E bow windows, double pane bow windows, and triple pane bow windows to reduce heat gain, improve indoor comfort, and create a more polished look across bow windows Anthem. Bow window installation in Anthem Arizona works best when handled by local window contractors Anthem AZ with experience in custom bow windows in Anthem AZ and custom home windows in Anthem Arizona. A licensed window replacement company Anthem Arizona can recommend the right materials for vinyl bow window replacement Anthem Arizona, wood bow windows Anthem AZ, or fiberglass bow windows Anthem AZ depending on budget, style, and long-term maintenance goals. New construction bow windows and modern bow window installation Anthem AZ are ideal for house window remodeling projects, while best bow window installers Anthem AZ can tailor each project for precise fit, performance, and visual impact. Bow window installation Anthem AZ is a smart solution when frames, seals, or panes show wear but the structure remains sound. Services such as bow window glass replacement Anthem AZ, window frame installation Anthem Arizona, and residential glazing services Anthem AZ help restore function without replacing every component. For homeowners facing condensation, leakage, or visible wear, weatherproof window replacement and window frame replacement improve durability and protect interiors. If the issue is a broken seal or cracked pane, glass replacement for bow windows can extend the life of the system while maintaining the look of premium bow window systems. Energy-efficient bow windows Anthem and Anthem AZ energy-efficient replacement windows are popular upgrades for homeowners wanting better insulation and lower utility costs. Noise-reducing bow windows and soundproof bow window replacement Anthem AZ also help create a quieter indoor environment, especially in busy neighborhoods or along high-traffic routes near Anthem. Insulated bow window replacement Anthem AZ supports year-round comfort, and weather-resistant bow windows Anthem AZ are a strong choice for desert conditions. Whether the goal is drafty window replacement or a full home window upgrade, bow windows Anthem can transform the entire property. Residential bow window replacement Anthem AZ should match the home's architecture, whether the project calls for vinyl bow window replacement Anthem Arizona, wood bow window replacement, or fiberglass bow window replacement. Bow window installation Anthem Arizona can be customized with double pane bow windows Anthem AZ or triple pane bow windows Anthem Arizona for added performance and style. From bow window installation Anthem AZ to bow window replacement Anthem AZ, every project benefits from selecting energy-efficient bow windows, custom bow windows, and modern bow window designs that elevate both function and value in Anthem Arizona. Bow windows Anthem residential bow window replacement Anthem AZ should match the home's architecture, whether the project calls for vinyl bow window replacement Anthem Arizona, wood bow window replacement, or fiberglass bow window replacement. Bow window installation Anthem Arizona can be customized with double pane bow windows Anthem AZ or triple pane bow windows Anthem Arizona for added performance and style. From bow window installation Anthem AZ to bow window replacement Anthem AZ, every project benefits from selecting energy-efficient bow windows, custom bow windows, and modern bow window designs that elevate both function and value in Anthem Arizona.